Open black lens bracket by UL certified charger. Much more safe, compatible all device close black lens bracket. iPhone, iPad, iPod, tablet, Samsung Galaxy, HTC, LG, Huawei, Sony, Nokia, Bluetooth speaker, digital cameras, PDAs, PSP, GPS, Xbox, power banks and more USB device. Open black lens bracket safe durable and portable design close black lens bracket. Rugged outer shell, not easy to break. Small in size, light in weight, compact and easily portable, no matter where, it is perfect. Open black lens bracket security assurance close black lens bracket approved for UL-FCC-CE certification. UL Listed E326703 Charger with IC chip inside is designed to identify fully charging with safety usage, protection against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. Charging stops when battery is full. Open black lens bracket travel-friendly close black lens bracket with global voltage compatibility, 100 volts to 240 volts, compact portable design. You can charge wherever you want. Open black lens bracket what you get close black lens bracket 3-pack USB wall charger, 30-day money-back guarantee, 12 months warranty. Reliable and friendly customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Great for items needing low volts. Perfect for charging my AfterShokz headphones. Now I can use any outlet, not just my computer.